it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I have a Glossybox. It is actually I think this is the third Glossybox that I've gotten, and so far I've liked it pretty well. It has more skincare in it, this box does, than some other ones like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but I like skincare, so I'm not mad about that. And I believe I pay $24 maybe. I don't know. I'll put that right here or somewhere in just a little bit. Okay? Alright, so I have not peeked yet, but it comes in this box, this pink box. Last month it came in a white one with a heart on it, but that was okay. I liked that for Valentine's Day. What? Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. It does have a wine voucher. I haven't used the wine voucher, but if anybody wants to, here it is. You can have it. And it's from nakedwines.com. I like sweet wine, and Red Electra is my favorite, so that's pretty much what I stick to. I stick to what I know and what I like. Alright, then when you open it up, it has this nice ribbon detail, so that's a really nice touch. So we'll open it up. See what's in here. And this is the little pamphlet that tells you what all is in there. So I'll go by that. And it does have the pink wrapping paper, tissue paper. Alright. So here we go. It's a little bit heavy, so that heaviness must be from this right here. So we're going to see what it is. Alright. First thing I see here is Yensa Color Plus Face Tone Up Primer. I need a primer, so maybe I'll like this primer. Now every time that I do this to my hand, so that y'all can see, I'm going to be thinking of Mike doing that in my Target box. So my Target box hasn't come yet, so he'll be opening that sometime this month. Alrighty, it's 7 milliliters, this one. The featured value is $15, and it says, by infusing super powered ingredients, this lightweight primer helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. I have wrinkles, and I have the 11s. It has a satin sheen finish that gives the skin a radiant look and feel, while minimizing the appearance of pores. It also evens skin texture for a flawless appearance. Tip: for an extra radiant boost, slip this primer underneath foundation, or even better, radiate naturally by wearing the primer alone. And then it says, buy one, get the second product 20% off, which is kind of cool. So if you like it, then it gives you a little coupon code for it to buy your own. All right, so we've got that. Next thing I see is DWDWTN Paris, probably Downtown Paris is what that stands for. And it is a highlighter. Let's see. The feature value is $25. This lightly powdered cream highlighter offers a texture for easy application and a lustrous feel. Extracted benefits from botanicals like the white horehound plant help protect against pollution and the harmful effects of light from screens. A highlight should always be healthy. We'll just see how we like it. Oh, it's a color. So we'll see if that highlights. Alright, let me know if y'all see if it highlighted anything. like highlighter. We've been getting a lot of highlighters in our boxes. At least one. I don't know that I've gotten a box that did not have a highlighter in it yet. Do y'all see this? I still have color from Mike. Mike colored my hair, and I gotta get that off somehow. All right. Do you see Matthew's sitting here? Does my face look brighter? Do you see pops of light on my cheeks? Well, there you go. He says it works. So, Downtown Paris highlighter, $25. All right, then we had a MannaKaddar Beauty mascara. I'm not gonna open it because I already have some mascara open, but that's what it looks like. I don't know if I'll keep this or I'll put it in a giveaway. I'm trying to get to 200. When I get to 200 subscribers, I'll do another little giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button. But let's see what it says. Bloom Volumizing Mascara, $29. That's a lot for a mascara, I think. Do you think it's a lot? He shook his head, yes. A cutting edge wand captured mascara between each individual groove of the ultra dense fiber bristles of the MannaKaddar Bloom mascara to give you the fullest, sexiest lashes imaginable. It says tip: do not ever pump your mascara wand into the tube. It introduces air and forces bacteria. I did learn that one day, and so I never do that. So don't pump your mascara. Just put the wand in there and pull it out. All right, so there's that, $29. Then we have a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And it's $14. It's 2 ounces. Female-founded brand Briogeo. I don't know. Brought to you by Nancy Twine. Introduces an ingredient-conscious brand for all of your hair needs. I have dyed hair, so I always need something probably to put in my hair. But I don't ever blow dry it, so it's pretty healthy hair. Included in its hair care line is their leave-in hair repair mask that strengthens and conditions, safe to use for all hair types of treated hair. There you go. It uses unique micro-encapsulated formula of argan oil, which helps restore the hair cuticle. So, wonder if it smells. Ooh, that actually smells pretty good. It does smell, and it smells good. So, I'll put that in my hair, and it's a leave-in. I like that. And then the very, very last thing in the box is Urea Rescue Rebalancing Cleanser. So that's the box. I don't know if I'm gonna open it because I might give away. I have a lot of cleanser right now, and my current one that I'm using is one that I got in my Galentine box. It's like a clay one. I think it's by L'Oreal, and I really like it. So I'm not going to open this, but we'll read about it. It is $26. It's full size, designed to relieve and rebalance acne-prone skin. This multitasking cleanser uses the gentle astringency of mandarin orange extract. Oh, I bet that smells good. I might give that to Matthew to use. Rice water, which is rich in vitamin B and C, is used to promote daily skin firmness. Oh, maybe I do need that. It's the perfect everyday acne or no acne saver that properly maintains and cleanses the skin. And you get 15% off if you want to order that. So that is everything in my Glossybox. Tell me what you think of this box. So we have the full-size cleanser. We have the leave-in conditioner, mascara, primer. I'm really excited to try this primer. And then the highlighter. So let me know what you think of this box. If you're gonna order this box, I have a link down below, and just click on that link and get yourself a little bit of a discount for that. All right, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.